Hello, welcome to lesson 21 of the Beginner Blues Guitar series. This lesson is about a very important technique for blues guitar called bending. Bending is a technique where you change the pitch of your tone by bending your string. This video will be very basic. For a while ago I already made a video about bending, and if you want more in-depth information about bending, please watch that video. For now, let's look at the basics of bending. As I just mentioned, bending is a technique where you bend your string. Well, it's important to start with a normal tone, then you bend your string and you go to your target tone. Once you have reached your target tone, you can release or bend back. So you have the start tone, bend, target tone and release. In this video, we'll look at two types of bending. Note, there are many types of bending. We'll just look at the two most common ones here. Please watch my bending tutorial for other types of bending. The first type is the full bend. A full bend means that you change the pitch of your tone with a whole tone. For instance, from here and then 2 frets up to there. This is a full bend. And back. The other type is the half bend. When you play a half bend, you change the pitch a half tone. For instance, from your 7th fret to fret 8. That's a half tone. So we have the full bend and a half bend. If possible, use more than one finger. For instance, when I bend this tone, do not do this, but place your 2nd finger behind your 3rd finger, so you can use both fingers to push. The other tip, do not go too high. When you bend, the start tone goes to the target tone, but don't go higher. If you do that, it sounds like this, which nobody wants to hear. So don't go too high. If you do not go high enough, you'll get away with it. Okay, let's do some simple exercises. Let's do 2 licks that incorporate bending. This was the last lesson in the Blues Guitar Beginner series. Well, don't worry, there will be a new series of lessons focused on rock guitar. And apart from that, I will post a lot of small blues tutorials in the future. In this series of lessons, 21 lessons, you have learned blues scales in different keys, different blues scales, minor scale, major and minor blues, blues chord schemes, blues chords, blues solo concepts, many licks, basic techniques like slides, hammer-on, pull-off and bending. I sincerely thank you for watching my lessons. Teaching is my passion and you enable me to do that. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next course and in my tutorials.